This is my latest project, lawn mower, electrical driven. It has a 4.8 kilowatt electric motor and a L-Trax 400 amps controller, programmable. I used a reel mover instead of a rotating knife because reel movers use a lot of less energy than the rotating knife. The batteries last longer. This mower was in a really bad state. I had to make a lot of new parts and find a lot of parts on the eBay. It has 4 72 amps batteries, run the motor on 48 volts. This 4 kilowatt motor is just a bit too big. Even at full speed, uphill and heavy grass, it uses about 2 kilowatts. But I discovered that a motor that's a little bit bigger than it needs to be lasts a lot longer and causes a lot less problems. Well, let's take this out for a ride. Turn the gear in and open the door better. Uh-oh. Shit.